We'll now look at some interesting researches and experiments to understand what can go wrong in our perception of flavor, and as a result, what to do to improve it. In this research, we took some rather light colored orange juice. We gave each person 2 glasses, one with the juice as it was, the other with the same exact juice, but with the addition of a flavorless, darker food coloring. Participants evaluated the sweetness of both glasses. Everyone, and I repeat, every single one, said the lighter juice was less sweet than the darker one. To ensure things were done properly, we had them taste the juice in the opposite order, but the result was the same. We also ran a blind test. We put both liquids into dark containers, masked, so it was impossible to see the color. At this point, everyone said it was exactly the same juice. This experiment teaches us that the perception of flavor is strongly influenced by sight. This might seem like a defect in our evaluation system, but in reality, it is just the confirmation of a well-known process. To get ahead and maximize advantages, our brain constantly makes predictions on the basis of knowledge it has acquired in different ways. It could be genetic and epigenetic, as well as using implicit and explicit learning. In nature, as fruit matures, its color grows more intense and it becomes sweeter. The problem, or the advantage, depends on how you act, arise when the data does not correspond to nature, but to man's artificial impact. Think about this. How can you use this fact in your daily life? Note it down in the comment section. One practical tip. Use a glass that makes the content invisible and taste similar foods, same types of fruit juice, wine, etc. You don't have to buy special tasting glasses. You can also use tin foil to cover the sides and top, leaving just a tiny hole to drink out of. Use a flask or a walkie cup. They are already done and masked for you.